This is Mr. Beck Does Your Homework. This is physics homework number 20, questions 6 and 7. An electron moving through an electric field experiences an acceleration of 6,900 times 10 to the third meters per second squared. Find the magnitude of the electric force acting on the electron, the Coulomb constant, the charge is, and the mass is. Well, I'm looking for, I know that it's accelerating at 6,900 times 10 to the third. That's a little strange scientific notation, but I will go with it. So 6,900 times 10 to the third meters per second squared is my acceleration. I want the amount of force. Well, do I have any relation between acceleration and force? I sure do. I know that the force is going to be the mass times the acceleration. So if I'm looking for the electric force, and I know my mass and my acceleration, I can get that. So my electric force is what's causing this mass to accelerate. The mass is the mass of the electron, is 9.109 times 10 to the minus 31 kilograms. And my acceleration is 6,900 times 10 to the third meters per second squared. When I multiply those together, I will get the amount of the electric force on that electron. So that will be the force in newtons. So that's part 1 of 2. That's number 6. For question number 7, it says, what is the magnitude of the electric field strength? Answer in units of newtons per coulomb. Well, I know that my electric field strength is my electric force divided by the amount of charge. It's the force per charge. It's this ratio. Because F equals QE, well, E is going to be F over Q. My electric force I just figured out, and the charge that's sitting there is the electron. So I want to find, if I know the force on the electron and I know the charge on the electron, I can get the electric field strength. The charge on the electron is the same thing as the fundamental charge. So that's going to be 1.602 times 10 to the minus 19th. Now electrons are negative, but it says the magnitude of the electric field strength, so I'm just going to leave that as a positive. And that will give me a positive answer for my electric field strength.